Alright, so the spark plugs that I picked up are these NGKs. Read some good reviews about them. I think these are the same ones that I currently have on my car right now. I'm gonna swap this out real quick. Also got a socket for the spark plug because I am not sure where I put my other one, so got this. It's only like 10 bucks, so it doesn't even really matter. Gonna install this and show you guys how to do it really quickly. Doesn't take too long. The engine is like super warm right now. Still debating if I should do it now. It is what it is. Wear some gloves. Shouldn't be too hard. Alright guys, just pulling out the coil plugs. I got 2 more left over here. And I changed these not too long ago. These are some Bosch coil packs. Thinking about going with the red ones. And taking this out is not too hard. Just push this over to the side. I don't even remember the last time I took these out. Just like that. Got one more over here. That's pretty warm. A little bit of some improvising. Took this out. And just placing this on the side over here. So it's all going to go back in the same order. Alright. Looks good. Got my tool over here. See how far this could go down. Just like that. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So do not mess this up, guys, or else the car will go on the stretcher. Just like that, and it's out. It doesn't look too bad, but it's due for a changing, so that's the first one. Yeah, I've had this for a while actually. And put this off to the side. And we're gonna do 3 more times. And that's how it's looking. Now we're just going to reverse the process. Tighten them first. Just going to put it in. I've done this one too many times, so I know exactly how tight it needs to be. Right when it starts biting, just get your ratchet. One hand tight with your release dominant arm, and that's it. And we'll do it 3 more times, and you guys get the point, so I'm not going to show it to you guys. Just going to start it up to see if everything is okay, and moment of truth. Install was can't even speak. Install was a success. No issues. Just gonna do a quick test drive to make sure everything's mint, and that's pretty much it.